Hello everyone. Today I'm going to start a new topic, that is structure. To understand structure, let me explain one of the program. Let me talk about one of the program. And with that, the concept will be clear that why structure is used. Suppose I have to make a program that to display percentage of 5 students. Okay. Or I can say I have to display the grade of 5 students. This is the program of it. So it's very easy. You can say that we can use an array, and with the help of array we can easily store the percentage of 5 students, and then we can easily display the percentage of 5 students. But if I change the program, in spite of displaying percentage, I have to display something more. Suppose I have to display what? Roll number, or you can say the enrollment number, roll number, name, and percentage of 5 students. Then how can you will be able to do it? Because these three fields, that is roll number, name, and percentage, these three fields are of different data types. The roll number is of integer, the name will be of character data type, the percentage will be of float. Now we can't store dissimilar data type in an array, so we will not be able to make this program with the help of array. And if the task is for 5 or more than 5, suppose 100, then you can't take individual variables also to store the values and to display it. Now this is the problem in front of developers, because in an array we can only and only store similar data type. We have covered array and we have seen that we have stored the values of similar data type. But if we see in this question, you have to store roll number, you have to store name, and you have to store percentage of 100 students. Okay, or less than 100 students. But the data type of all the three fields, that is of roll number, name, and percentage, are dissimilar. They are not same. For roll number you can take what integer, for the name you can take what character, and for the percentage you can take what float. But you can't store this in an array. So this is the problem which was faced by the developer of C, and they came up with a new data type. Okay, and that data type is what? Structure. Now with the help of this structure data type, we can pack all the different data types variables, and we can able to make the program. So how to do this, and what trick the developer use? Almost they have tried to make the system fool that they are using the similar data type, but that similar data type is encapsulated with the different data types that we will see. So if I have to define structure, so a structure is a constructed data type. Okay, it's a data type which is constructed, which is used to pack data type of different types. Okay, so it is used to pack the data of different data types. So you can pack, if you take the example of student, you can pack the roll number, you can name, and the percentage, or you can say the grade, which are of different data types. And then you can easily store the values, and then you can easily display it. So how it's possible, we'll see that. Here is a block diagram, and with the help of this diagram the things will be more clear. When you will declare, we'll see that how to declare the structure. Okay, when you will declare the structure in such a way, the locations will be allocated. Okay, and this will be called what, the memory location for roll number, what's data type what integer. This is the location for the name, which data type what char, and this is the location for percentage, or you can say for the grade, and its data type is what float. Now the protocol is such that you can't store dissimilar data type values inside it. So how it become possible? What the developer did, what the C developer achieved, or what they came up with, that is these three data types, int, char, and float. All the three of them are combined, and three of them have given a data type name, that is what is struct student. So now for each one of the location, for this location, for the role, for this location, for the name, for this location, for the percentage, the data type is same, that is what is struct student. So now the system know that it knows that the data type of this location, and this location is same, and that the data type is what struct student. But within the struct student, there is what int, char, and float. So the int, char, and float encapsulated within what, or you can say wrap up or bind up within what struct student. Okay, so now this system, or you can say the C, only and only see the struct string, that the data type of this location is what is struct student, or data type of this location is what is struct student, and of this location is also what is struct student. What is encapsulated, it is not aware of it. Okay, we know about it, that all the three are combined, and we have given a name to it, what is struct student. Okay, so all the three location having a similar data type now, and that similar data type is what is struct student. Okay, in the same way, this whole location, this whole memory location is given a name to it, that is st. Okay, so the student, struct student is the data type, and st is the variable. So this st variable having what, role, name, and percentage. So within the st, these three things are encapsulated, or you can say wrapped up, that is roll number, name, and percentage. So with the data type int, char, and float having a common name, that is struct student, and for the variables role, name, and percentage having the common name what, st. So this is the data type name, and this is the variable. Now if we talk about this location, this particular location, this will be called, this is the sublocation of this st, this, as this whole location where I am rotating my mouse is what, st, but the sublocation is what, role. So to reach here, we have to use the dot operator, and with the st dot role, you will be here to store the value. In the same way, if you have to store the value in this location, first of all the st, okay, and with that what, dot name. In the same way, what, st dot per. Okay, st dot per. So this is the block diagram, and I'm going to make this program, and again I'm going to explain this, that how the things are going to store and then are going to display on the screen. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to make the same program to store the value, the records of student, and then to display on screen.